Hello, today we are going to talk about Payson's business loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Payson's business loan. Having minimum 2.50 lakh ITR required, no turnover required. Co-applicant age should be between 22 year to 57 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 50,000 to 10 crore. Tenure will be 6 month to 60 month. Rate of interest will be 18% to 30% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 1 day for sanction and 2 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% to 6% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory, 3 years old, ITR required with business name. Co-applicant is mandatory when applicant is other than individual or proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 1 years. Processing mode will be online. Ownership proof is not required. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Payson's business loan funding to both side rented applicant, funding on ITR basis. Location will be Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. No negative profiles are in this business loan. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership firm LLP.